how to use Janitor AI with Deepseek. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use Janitor AI with Deepseek. So first is to pull up your preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head straight into OpenRouter's official site, which is here. You're just going to need to make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you don't have an account, just simply create one. It's totally free. Now the reason why we're here is we're gonna be creating an API key. But before that, once you completely log in, you're just gonna tweak around the settings of your OpenRouter. Now from OpenRouter settings, just go into routing, and then in here, scroll down, and then under default model, make sure that it is set into DeepSeek, whether it's for V4 Pro, V4 Flash, or V4 Flash Free. Choose on whatever you have in mind or whatever you prefer, but as long as it is Deepseek. Once you've done that, go into API keys and then go into plus new key, name it. So, say for example, janitor. Um, go into create, and then this is going to be your API key. Copy this into your clipboard and then open up or access your janitor AI chat. So while you're here, go into using janitor, and then at your right side, go into proxy, and then under proxy configurations, click on new. Um, Type in the proxy name or the API key that you just created earlier, like so. And then on the API key, paste it, and then choose on add. And that's it. That is how you use Gener AI with DeepSeek.